So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a rainbow loom fidget. So I'm going to be writing Relax It Summer. So you can go like this. You can really do anything with your fidget. You can make it into a cube. You can go like this. You can really do anything. I like to bring it on airplanes or anything. Okay, so let's go like this. So you twist it, put one on top, put another one on top, put this over, and I'll grab another pink. So I'm going to take my first letter, R, go like this. Then I'm gonna put this on top. There, I'm just going to put on my last letter. Then, I hope everybody got it. Okay, so then I'm going to take one more rubber band, go like this, go put it over top. That's there. Take one of my connectors. I'm going to take my white connector. Go like that. Then I'm going to take the purple connector. Go like this. Purple connector right there. And there you have yourself your own fidget. And you didn't even have to buy it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you have fun playing with your fidget. Bye!